Is your car making strange noises from underneath or vibrating while driving? The differential is the gearbox that splits engine power between your wheels, allowing them to rotate at different speeds during turns. When it fails, you'll experience drivetrain noise and handling problems that get progressively worse. Let's identify the symptoms. Whining or howling noises from axle. You may hear a whining, humming, or howling sound from the axle area, especially during acceleration or at certain speeds. The differential contains gears and bearings that mesh together to transfer power to the wheels. When these gears wear down or bearings deteriorate, they create noise from metal-on-metal contact that isn't properly cushioned. The sound typically increases with vehicle speed and may change pitch during acceleration or deceleration. The driver will notice a persistent whine coming from underneath the vehicle, often from the rear on rear-wheel drive cars or front on front-wheel drive vehicles. This noise indicates the differential gears or bearings are wearing out and need attention before complete failure occurs. Clunking sounds when shifting. A failing differential can produce clunking noises when shifting gears or when transitioning from acceleration to deceleration or vice versa. You might also hear a clunk when going around corners if internal gears are damaged. The differential normally transfers power smoothly, but worn or chipped gear teeth create slack in the drivetrain. When you change direction of power flow by accelerating, braking, or turning, this slack allows components to bang together. The driver experiences distinct clunking sounds, especially noticeable when shifting from drive to reverse, when getting on or off the throttle, or during tight turns. These sounds indicate damaged ring and pinion gears, or worn spider gears inside the differential that need immediate inspection and repair. Vibrations at speed. Worn-out differential bearings or gears can cause vibrations that you might feel as a shudder or vibration from the rear or front, depending on the drivetrain that increases with vehicle speed. The differential spins at high speeds and relies on precision bearings to keep components aligned. When bearings wear or gears become damaged, they create imbalance and wobble in the rotating assembly. The driver will feel vibrations through the floor, seat, or steering wheel that often worsen at highway speeds or during acceleration. These vibrations may come and go or remain constant. If left unaddressed, the vibration will worsen as bearing damage progresses, eventually leading to catastrophic differential failure that can leave you stranded on the roadside. Fluid leaks. Under the differential. A bad differential often leaks gear oil, so look for wet, oily spots on the ground beneath the diff or oil splashed on the differential housing. Low fluid levels can quickly lead to differential damage. The differential housing is sealed with gaskets and seals that can deteriorate over time from heat, age, and vibration. When these seals fail, thick gear oil seeps out. The driver might notice dark, heavy oil puddles where the car was parked or see oil coating the differential cover and nearby components. Without adequate lubrication, differential gears and bearings will overheat and wear rapidly. Check fluid levels regularly and repair leaks immediately, as running a differential low on oil causes exponentially faster damage requiring expensive rebuilds or replacement. Burning gear oil smell. Overheating differential fluid has a distinct pungent burning oil smell. A failing diff, especially if it's low on oil, can overheat causing this odor. Differential fluid lubricates and cools the internal gears and bearings. When the differential operates with insufficient fluid, or when internal components are binding and creating excessive friction, temperatures rise dramatically. The driver will smell a strong, acrid, burning odor similar to burnt cooking oil but more chemical in nature. This smell often appears after highway driving or towing when the differential has been under heavy load. The odor indicates serious problems as overheated gear oil loses its lubricating properties, accelerating wear and potentially causing complete differential seizure that requires immediate professional attention. Difficulty turning or tire scuffing. If the differential isn't working properly, for example, if a limited slip diff's clutches are locked or a gear is binding, the car may resist turning. You might feel the inside tire scuff or hop in tight turns. The differential's purpose is allowing wheels to rotate at different speeds during turns, with the outside wheel traveling farther and spinning faster than the inside wheel. When internal components seize, bind, or lock up, both wheels are forced to rotate at the same speed. The driver experiences steering resistance, particularly in parking lots or tight corners, and may hear tire chirping or scrubbing sounds. On vehicles with limited slip differentials, worn clutch packs can cause similar symptoms by not properly releasing during turns. Vehicle instability. A compromised differential can make the vehicle feel unstable with unpredictable handling or swaying because power isn't being distributed smoothly to the wheels. The differential should seamlessly adjust power delivery between left and right wheels based on traction and turning requirements. When it malfunctions, power distribution becomes erratic and inconsistent. The driver might notice the rear end feels loose or wandering, especially during lane changes or on uneven roads. The vehicle may require constant steering corrections to maintain a straight path. In wet or slippery conditions, this instability becomes more pronounced and dangerous. A differential that cannot properly manage power split between wheels compromises vehicle control and creates unsafe driving conditions requiring immediate repair. One wheel losing drive power. In some failures, power may not reach one of the drive wheels. The car may feel like it's slipping or not moving even as the engine revs. If the diff gears are stripped, one wheel might spin freely while the other remains stationary. This happens when internal spider gears or side gears become damaged or broken. The path of least resistance allows all power to go to the wheel with no traction or the damaged side. The driver experiences poor acceleration, the feeling of spinning wheels without forward movement, or the vehicle pulling to one side. This is especially noticeable when trying to accelerate from a stop or on slippery surfaces where one wheel spins uselessly while the other does nothing. Vehicle won't move in gear. In extreme cases like a broken differential gear or drive shaft, putting the car in gear may result in no movement at all. You'll hear lots of awful noise, but the car won't accelerate because the differential can no longer transmit power to the axle shafts. This represents complete differential failure where internal components have catastrophically broken. Gears may be completely stripped, shafts snapped, or the carrier assembly destroyed. The driver shifts into drive or reverse, hears grinding, clanking, or banging noises from underneath, but the vehicle remains stationary despite pressing the accelerator. The engine revs freely, but no power reaches the wheels. This requires immediate towing and professional repair, as continuing to operate, the vehicle will cause additional damage to surrounding drivetrain components.